Nifty's jittery close in Friday's trade indicates how fragile Nifty's strength is. Anyway, this Monday morning, Gift Nifty is indicating a solid rebound, and that brings us to our call of the day, which suggests the rebound could be bit ephemeral. The three biggest headwinds in near term. 1. Concerns over stretched AI valuations remain. 2. Rapidly fading expectations of a December US Fed rate cut. 3. FIIs turning sellers in the November 2025 to the tune of 13,841 crores rupees. Technically speaking, the correction appears more like profit booking rather than a trend reversal. Nifty is expected to consolidate and attempt another push toward its all-time high of 26,277.35. Bottom line, Nifty may rise, but volatility shall persist. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1,766 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3,162 crores. Bullish Nifty sentiment is likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive upside breakout. GHBY F&O November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 27,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked near 13.63 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 89.55 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.89. Nifty outlook. Nifty badly needs a big positive trigger. Hopefully, optimism surrounding a potential US-India trade agreement should lift Nifty above 26,277.35 mark. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,068. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,901 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,000 and 26,250. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85,232. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,525 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,000 and 86,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58,638. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,100 and 59,100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In Friday's trade, Dow Jones Index flared up 493 points in Fed fuel bounce. According to CME FedWatch, the probability of a quarter-point cut when the Fed concludes its next gathering on 10th December is now at 72%, up from 39% 1 day ago, after Williams, one of the highest-ranked Fed officials, said Friday that he sees room for a further adjustment in the near term to bring interest rates closer to neutral. If Nifty reaches its all-time high of 26,277.35, it will mark the end of a 14-month pause. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Nifty Small Cap Index hits over 7-week low in trade, its lowest level since 30th September 2025. 2. Total 25 stocks including Symphony, Orion Pro Solutions, CMS Info Systems, United Food Brands, Praj Industries, Ramkrishna Forgings, Route Mobile and 5-Star Business Finance have hit their respective 52-week lows on the BSE. 3. Kotak Mahindra Bank Board approves 5-for-1 stock split. Kotak Mahindra Bank said it seeks to make its shares more affordable and boost participation from retail investors. 4. Hull shares could see short-term volatility this week after Tejas fighter jet manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics crashed during a Dubai Air Show on Friday, 21st November.